Hey, what is up, guys? Tomato96 here, bringing you a short and sweet video. Yeah, I know I said I quit YouTube. So what? I can't upload fucking holiday things. Here's some posters. I'm just gonna give you guys a little room tour and what's going on with my life right now. Yeah, but yeah. That's the only thing new. I pre-ordered Grand Theft Auto 5 because I'm gonna play it. And if you're wondering, I'm recording on my new iPod I got for Christmas. That's not the only thing I got for Christmas. I got those MW3 bullets or billets. They're like on sale for like $18. Pretty much all the shit I got was on Black Friday because I had a $400 limit, and I said I want $200 in cash for something I'll get to you guys later. I know half the people, or some of the people watching this, or whoever does watch this, I really don't give a shit how many do. I forgot. Yeah, I know they're out of runnings, but it's still a nice hat. Got that for Christmas. But yeah. So I got those. I got this rockin' speaker system I got from Ace. He suggested it to me, and it's like $209 now. I got it for like $54. So that's my kicking thing. Here's my favorite game now. Still playing that. I got Medal of Honor Warfighter. Black Ops 2 we got. Got God of War Saga Collection. That was on sale. Got Skyrim now. Yeah, you can't see it. There's like no light. Battlefield Bad Company 2. But yeah. So yeah, of course, At the Bottom's MW3 because I fucking hate that game. And then yeah. I got some FPS freaks. I got the sniper version, which goes on my blue one. The blue controller. But these are the Black Ops 2 Chaos Edition. These things are fucking awesome. If you get them, they were on sale. And I got both of them for like less than $25. No, it was $25. But I got new shoes. These are my old ones. I got like this retard thing. I had like 500 of them in there. Got a TV, which I might be using soon. Here's my office. I had to clean it up because I'll get into that like right now. Let's walk over to, this is where my computer is now, and if you're wondering why it is here, let me give you a nice thing. As you can see, these are parts for a computer. As you can see, this is a bill. I just bought all the components I need to build a custom gaming PC. Finally. Actually, I had 1,000 because I got bonds. Because I guess something happened to where they need to be cashed by the end of 2012. So I was 300 from that. My PC logged off. Plus I got money, the 200 cash, and a bunch of other shit. So yeah, I'll list all the specs on it, but that will be here Saturday. All the components, and I'm gonna put it together with my friend. Sunday, and I'll have videos of putting it together, of the parts. I got lucky with this i5. It was on sale, and I was like, damn, because we went with an i3. Let me see. I'm gonna have to turn it away because it has some private info on it, and then I like scroll this thing. Let me see if I can find it. He gave me a list. This is what everything looks like. Besides, we changed one thing. That's the case. It has 3 fans in it. It's a Corsair. It's really nice. But we went with an i3 Ivy Bridge without realizing dual core. That fucked us up a lot. Yeah, that's 129. Actually, I think I saved a hell of a lot of money because I got that luckily for like half price. And but yeah, we were gonna go with i3. We realized it was dual core, so then we went with the i5. I think it's, I don't know which one it is. It was, let me go to it. It's like, I don't know. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna overclock it yet. I don't think I am because I'm gonna need a CPU charger or a cooler for that. Let me go to the order. Well. Yeah, but I spent another $20 to upgrade it to an i5, which is perfectly fine for me. i5 3.1 gigahertz. It's turbo, so it's 3.3, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna clock around 3.5. This motherboard is really good. That was on sale, luckily. All this shit. The only thing I need to upgrade really from this, because this build, I made sure it was future proof. So, yeah, that was a subtotal tax. I didn't have any, thank God. Fucking shipping cost a lot, and I wanted to rush it because I go to school, back to school next Monday. So I want to get this shit built before. But the only thing I need to upgrade is the graphics card. Right now it's decent. It's gonna be able to run Battlefield 3, any games I have right now at least high to medium on at least 100 something frames. Yeah, that would be, I'll be posting videos of that shortly. Not shortly. Oh shit, fuck. Ball. But yeah, so I always saw these. Just one word of advice, and I know people, I know Whiteout, my friend Whiteout, he built his PC. Ron built his PC. A lot of people I know built their PCs. I just want to tell you guys, this laptop right here I have now, I'll give you the specs for it. Oh, yeah, hi Lonnie. Well, if you don't know, get Specky. Gives you like all the shit you need about your thing. So as you can see, that's Intel 2 Core at 2 gigahertz, 3 gigs of RAM, a fucking chipset. This computer costs 3/4 of what it's costing me for this computer that I'm buying now. This is $500 for this fucking computer. This is the shittiest thing ever. Compared to my sister's is way worse. Yeah, it is complete shit. So, word of advice, build your own damn PC. We estimated this retail value to be, if you were to buy it from Best Buy, about $1,500 retail. That's how much I'm paying. Alright? So, it's probably going to be more. Just build your own PC. And you might be saying, oh, well, it's really hard to put it together. It's not rocket science. You know, the only thing you really need, I've been watching videos all week because I was skeptical. The only thing you really need is a place where there's no static, because static will fry your fucking motherboard. And a screwdriver, pretty much. You just need to follow instructions. It takes at least 2 hours max to build this. I'm gonna see how long. My friend actually is like the guru for this. So you built like you just finished building a $2,500 PC. He put the graphics to a 560 Ti because NVIDIA is coming up with their 770 or 700 series in March or so. So I'm going to be upgrading mine to that, and possibly, unless not, because I think I'm going to get 2 of them in there. I can luckily fit 2 of them in there and put one solely to gaming and another one for like running everyday process if I decide to get back into YouTube or go pursue my career of graphic designing. I'm not too sure about that yet, but yeah. And yeah, so I'll be updating on that shit. Also, if anyone has Origin, you can add me on there. Just do Troc060603, I think, and I'll come up with that. Actually, let me show you. I've been no life in it on Battlefield. I love that game. Don't have it yet? Fucking buy it. It is amazing. They want you to level up. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna get premium if I get it for the PC, but this is mine. I'm Colonel rank 14 now. Yeah, I have to say I have played this game longer than my whole entire Call of Duty career on PS3. That's how fucking serious I am with this. Like, this game is amazing. But if you want to add me, just look up Timinator96, should say PS3. I'm soon going to be PC. I got some of my friends. I got Merg, Ronin, that's my friend, and then Whiteout. Whiteout, if you see this, contact me on Skype, because I want to see what you think about my build. You're kind of a guru. I got Adrian to look it over, and he loved it. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you just a little update of what my life is right now. And yeah. So, see you guys. I will post computer video probably Sunday. But yeah, adios.